So I'm using medium worsted yarn for this bandana and 5.5mm crochet hook. If you want to use a cotton yarn, you can use the sugar and cream. It uses the same size crochet hook and it has the same thickness. Otherwise, you choose the yarn you want to use for this project. We'll start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in the first chain from the hook. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same chain. This is the first row of the triangle. I'm gonna chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And again double crochet in every stitch, and in the beginning, in the last chain as well, which is this one, 1 double crochet. And then I'll continue the same for 15 rows. Chain 2, double crochet in the first chain, and double crochet in every stitch, sorry, not chain. And then again in the space I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And as I said, we're gonna continue the same till row 15. Then we'll go on to the next step. And the last double crochet inside the space. And this is how it looks so far. So this is the triangle of the bandana so far, how it looks. 15 rows completed. And now I'm gonna start the next step. So now 15 rows completed of the solid granny triangle, and now I'm gonna make the chain for the stripes or for the straps. I'm gonna chain 40. You can chain 30 or less depending on how big you want or how long you want the straps to be. So here I'm done with the first strap, the chain, and then I'm gonna slip stitch back to the triangle or the bandana. Just slip stitch back before I start my single crochet row. So I'm almost done with the first strap, and I'm gonna single crochet in the triangle. So I've got this chain 2 of every time I started a new row, so I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in every chain 2. 2 single crochet. till the other side. Well, I'm gonna do the second strap. So here I'm done with a single crochet at the end of the triangle, and I'm gonna chain again the second strap. And then I'll slip stitch back. So here I'm done chaining the second side, and I'm gonna slip stitch back to the triangle to thicken the strap. Till the end, and that will be all. So here I'm at the last 2 stitches, and I'm gonna fasten off by pulling the yarn through, and I'm gonna hide it later on. Oh no. So this is the solid triangle bandana and how it looks like. Hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.